This video is part of a tutorial to help you create an AI call assistant. We use voice over IP VoIP technology to create an AI soft phone, and this video is about sending and receiving SIP instant messages. Why do we need SIP instant messaging in a VoIP soft phone? Sometimes two parties need to exchange a short piece of information without the overhead of a full voice call, and SIP instant messaging solves this by letting a soft phone send text directly to another SIP client without ever establishing a call or touching any audio device. What is instant messaging? Instant messaging is real-time, text-based communication sent directly between two parties without establishing a voice call. And in this example, the soft phone sends and receives SIP instant messages peer-to-peer between VoIP clients, using the phone line's own messaging support rather than any call, microphone, or speaker object. How does SIP instant messaging work? The soft phone registers a phone line with a PBX and subscribes to its message received event, then builds an instant message with the recipient's number and text content and passes it to the phone line's send message method, which delivers it directly to the recipient without opening a call, and incoming messages arrive the same way, firing an event that the application displays to the console. To build and run the solution, download the project and open it in Visual Studio. Build the solution and run the compiled console application to start the soft phone, which will prompt you for your SIP account details. To test the solution, enter your SIP account details and wait for registration to succeed. Then enter the recipient's phone number when prompted. Type a message and press enter to send it, and confirm it arrives on the recipient's side. If the other soft phone sends a message back, confirm it appears on the console without either side ever placing a call. The core of this example is how instant messaging attaches directly to the phone line rather than to a call. During registration, the soft phone subscribes to the phone line's message received event, and the send message method hands an outgoing message to that same instant messaging object, with no call, microphone, or speaker involved at any point. The softphone class in C# declares two key objects, a softphone and a phone line, along with a recipient string variable, and it handles the softphone's events and functions to create a software-based telephone. To send instant messages, the softphone class uses the phone line's instant messaging object to call the send message method, passing an instant message that contains the recipient's number and the text content entered by the user. To receive instant messages, the application subscribes to the phone line's message received event, which fires a callback that displays the incoming message's sender and content to the console, all without ever establishing a voice call. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more VoIP tutorials.